I hope you guys grabbed some snacks because in this video we are going to be traveling to the edge of the known universe. So, first of all, we are going to start this flight off very slowly, at the speed of light. Right now we are traveling around the Earth at about 4,000 kilometers per second. So let's increase our speed to roughly 1c, aka the speed of light. Now, let's take off. Don't worry, we'll be back soon. So right now we are actually traveling at a little bit over the speed of light. At this rate, it would take us about 46.5 billion light years to complete this video. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't really have that kind of time. So now we are traveling at 10 times the speed of light. And it still seems as we aren't even moving through the Milky Way. I mean, technically we are, obviously, but it's just barely, even while moving at 10 times the speed of light. So as we crank up our travel speed to 107 times the speed of light, we can finally see our sun enters our field of view. Beautiful. Can you believe we are traveling at over 32 million kilometers per second? Not per hour, per second. And even at this rate, it would still take me thousands of years to go from one side of the Milky Way to the other. Now we will increase our speed to over 53.6 thousand times the speed of light. We are now over 6 light days away from our home planet. That means if we stayed traveling at the speed of light, we would have already been doing this for over 6 days. Even at this speed, it still looks like we're barely moving through the galaxy. So let's get moving. As we start to increase our speed to over 2 light years per second, we can see the surrounding stars in our galaxy finally start to move. Right now we are traveling at a speed it takes light to reach in over 2 years in just 2 seconds. Absolutely breathtaking speeds. And that's not even a fraction of the speeds we'll be traveling at soon. So let's start making some large jumps in speed. We are now traveling at 214 light years per second. In a space shuttle traveling at roughly 8 kilometers per second, it would take 7.9 million years to travel as far as we are traveling right now in just 1 second. So now let's go 50 times the speed of that. Now we are traveling at over 10.7 thousand light years per second. As you can see, we have finally left our galaxy, the Milky Way. And you can see hundreds of other galaxies illuminating in the background. Now that we have left the galaxy, let's really get a move on. Now we are moving as fast as the software will allow me to go, at an uncomprehendingly 326 million light years per second. That is 3.08 times 10 to the power of 24 meters per second. In long form, that is 3.08 septillion meters per second. Pure insanity. Now we are going to turn around and speed up the video to 4 times speed, because even at this rate, it still takes a minute in real time to reach the known edge of the universe. And here we are. We have reached the edge of what we humans know about the universe we live in. 46.5 billion light years away from home. Now this is just the edge of our observable patch of the universe. It extends 46.5 billion light years in every direction from us. The cosmos is only so old and light only travels so fast, which is why we can only see what we see. Scientists consider it unlikely the universe has an end, but nobody knows for sure. Well, I think we've been away from home for long enough. We have quite the trip ahead of us. Thanks to the power of technology, I just need to click a few buttons. That was quick. Maybe someday we'll be able to do that in reality. Well, we're home sweet home, back at the famous solar system. I wonder how many galaxies we passed today with intelligent life. 1,000? 10,000? 100,000? What do you guys think? Well, I think that's all for this video, folks. I really hope you enjoyed it, at least a tiny bit. It is my very first video, and it should only improve from here. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially the ones who stayed until the end. I need you guys to help suggest something for my next video, so if you want to leave a quick comment, that would be insane. I will make sure to read them all. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you all in the next one.